What's up, guys? Um, I got some more plays for you. So, hopefully you guys took notes on the plays that's submitted on Saturday morning because I couldn't drop it early enough on Wednesday or Friday. But I wanted to go ahead and swing some more by. I was up all night Saturday, just like scanning the market. Um, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So my first one I have right now is IonQ, or IONQ. I like this a lot. So on the 4 hour chart, you see this trend line right here. Let me zoom in, and we got some good taps, bounce and a bounce and a bounce and a bounce. I think we're gonna break that trend to the upside. Of course, obviously, watch the trends. You can it's super easy to go ahead and do it, but watch the stock itself. If it doesn't go upwards, then play to the downside. You know what I'm saying? So, but I'm pretty sure it's going to go up. I got calls for this, and then check your levels. I expect it to go up to at least that 46.93 area. If it goes up any higher than that, then it goes up higher. But I would wait until it hits this 43.72 before, as like your confirmation, right? So right now we're at 41.80. So give it a good $2 practically before you hop in. That's going to confirm the uptrend, because what could happen is it bounced through the trend line and then it pulls back down into the trend line, going further below, and then you're trapped in it, right? So have some type of bias, or not bias, have some type of confirmation when you're doing this stuff, right? All right. So my next one, and some people might not like it, but if you got a small account, you may like this. This is for Snapchat, I want to say, and SNAP, Snap. So only reason why I don't think this is the right chart. Let me make sure. SNAP. I thought the price was around $13 or something like that. Nope. Nope. Okay. So only reason why I like this is just because let me make sure. My computer running kind of slow. So on the daily chart, we have a bullish divergence. So if you know anything about a bullish divergence, this when the price is the RSI is creating a higher high, while the charts, doing like a lower high. So that means that reversal is done, and then also we got this gap right here that I want to go ahead and fill. I'm not hopping in until we get over this 750 mark. So if we break trend on the daily chart into that 750 area, hold that 750. I'm gonna hold it all the way up until this area is filled, and then from there it's a watch and see. You know what I'm saying? See what happens. But I'm liking Snap in the long term, so you can put that on your radar. 6 months to a year, Leap, if you want to go ahead and put that on there. My next one is Archer Aviation. Uh, I think it's ACHR. ACHR. Yep, Archer Aviation. All right. Now I think I've seen a bullish divergence on the 4 hours as well. Yeah. So we're creating lower lows and then we're creating higher lows over here. So we got a bullish divergence on a 4 hour chart. Um, I got me some trend lines cooked up here. I didn't finish drawing up this chart. I think I got tired. I was up to like 4 o'clock last night looking at charts and back testing and all types of stuff. But just make sure you mark up the charts, get your levels set. I don't have the levels on this, but I did want to tell you about it, so it gives you the opportunity to look at it and stuff like that. But we're gonna move on to the next one. Just know that that one has a bullish divergence on the 4 hour, and you can see it a little bit better when I zoomed out. Higher low, lower low. So that's showing some type of reversal. So just be cognizant. Anything can happen in the market, so just pay attention. But I'm gonna keep moving on. I don't want this video to be too long. Um, Lululemon has been tanking a lot, right? And I think I seen a bullish divergence on that too on the daily chart. And like I said, I was going through charts like nonstop, like blah blah blah. But right here we posted a lower low, and then we posted a lower low, and then we're posting lower highs on RSI. So that's a bullish divergence right here in itself, because we posted way lower than what the actual market is. Our market was, but we did not drop below this low, which would be a new lower low, confirming the bearishness of the chart. Now, if you look at the EMAs, we're pretty dang, I hate when I do that. But we're pretty bearish, right? They're stacked up well. Just wait until this move completes. I imagine that we're gonna fill this gap right here, and then once we fill this gap, that will most likely go fill this gap. They didn't have great earnings. Stateside sales are trash. Like, needless to say, they had great sales overseas, but you kind of want to have both. Same thing with Apple. Their American sales are good, but their Asian sales are terrible. You know what I'm saying? So you just got to make sure you're paying attention to what you're investing in or trading in, because you want to know what's going on. Why is it going down? You know what I'm saying? So that's why this is going down. So we got 2 gaps to fill. That's one thing I like to look for. I'm looking for trend lines. I'm looking for how it's sitting on the RSI. I'm also looking at gaps to fill. All right, and is it possible for this company to move back up? I think it's possible. I think they could rebound. This is a strong company, a profitable company, well-known brand. I think they can rebound. They got to work some stuff within the in the office, but other than that, I think they could do something. And I got one more for you. Got one more, and we gone. We out of here. NU. I want to say that's what it is. I think it's NU. And if not, then I'm just hopping off, because I wrote it down. So let's hope I'm right. This is not the chart. That's fine. This is not what I was looking at. I was NU. Was it MU? I don't know which one it was. I don't really care. So that's the end of my video. So hope you guys like those charts. Hope it works out. Like I said, pay attention to what's going on. I wouldn't mess with it. I mean, they've been going on up run. I mean, if you want to mess with it, go ahead. But this could reverse at any time. It's been going up on a uptrend. It is bullish. It's riding all these EMAs. So I would just let it finish his bullish run. It's showing some form of weakness, but it's over that 100 and over that 200. So just be patient. Other than that, hope you guys like the plays. Hit me in the comments if you guys like paper traded or actually traded. Hit me in the comments if it worked out for you. So then I keep posting videos like this. Other than that, appreciate you guys for watching. Talk to you later. Peace.